allowing the system to do what it is designed to do. Not touching the claims, trusting the process. Coming from a revenue cycle, like I said, I've been in this for 30 years. We have always trained, and I have always been trained in my earlier years. When you open an account, you work the full account, right? If you have an insurance change, you make sure you get the entire account cleaned up. To deprogram myself from doing that, because I saw all of the mistakes I made by making updates prematurely. I needed to allow the claims to go through the process, and TELCOR will do the heavy lifting. So if a claim is in submitted status, leave it alone. Get the ones that have been denied. Let those other ones go through the process and get that denial.